Want to make the most useful parts of your customer reviews stand out? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to highlight key phrases in your Shopify reviews using Ryviu, so shoppers can quickly spot the most important product insights. Step 1. Highlight review text. First, open Ryviu app from your Shopify admin, go to Reviews, then open the Products tab and select the product that contains the review you want to highlight. Click on the review to open its details. For example, I will open this review. In the Highlights section, select the part of the review you want to highlight. Then, click Highlight selected text and select Save Highlights. Click the times on a highlighted phrase to remove it. That's how you can highlight review text manually. You can also use Generate AI Highlights to let Ryviu automatically identify the most meaningful phrases in the review. Just review the suggested highlights, remove any you don't want, and save your changes. Step 2. Show highlights on your store. On the left-hand bar, go to Widgets and select Review Widgets. Click Customize for product reviews. In the Settings tab, scroll down to find the AI Highlights section and enable Show AI Highlights. Then, click Save. It's very easy. Step 3. Customize the highlights style. You can also customize how the highlighted text looks. Now scroll up to open the Style tab. Navigate to AI Highlights section. Here you can adjust the highlighted text color and background color. You can also choose styles such as bold, italic, underline, square corners, or animated highlight. Preview the highlighted review text while customizing it on the left. Click Save when you're done, and that's it. Your most useful review phrases will now stand out, making it easier for customers to find key product information at a glance. Don't forget to subscribe and check the comments for more details.